Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about tags versus keywords.
Again, this is Jessica's department. I bow down.
That's alright. So tags versus keywords. So technically, one word or phrase could be considered either a tag or a keyword. And I'm going to explain to you what the difference is. So for example, let's say black shirt is the example. Now, if you put, I am selling a black shirt in small through large sizes, you're using that as a sentence. In that particular instance, it is a keyword. Black shirt is a keyword because you're using it in a description or you're using it in a sentence. Now,
context.
Yes, giving it some context. Versus if you're to say black shirt, comma, blacksmithing shirt, comma, power hammer shirt, comma, blacksmith merch, comma, or whatever.
Christ Center Ironworks merch, comma, yeah.
Right.
Links in the description.
Yep. When you're using it in a list format where it's word or phrase separated by commas, that's called a tag. Now, some areas where you'll see this is, for example, on YouTube. If you've ever posted a video, you'll notice that there's 3 areas where you enter information. The first will be your title, the second will be your description, and the third, it's labeled tags. And down in the tags, that's where you don't write sentences. Pretty much you're just filling in the same keywords that you used in your context. You're putting those again down in the tag section now, and you're not giving them any context. You're just putting commas there, and they're not actually seen by the populace. They're just there for the search engines to
look for those specific words when somebody types in blacksmithing black shirt, or they're looking for a blacksmith, right? Black, that's a tag in one of your titling. It brings you one step closer to them. If you had Smith in there as a tag, it brings them even closer to finding your listing. So it keeps bringing you in a little deeper and a little deeper, that potential customer to take and find that listing. And if you get really specific, if they got real specific, they're like Christ Center Ironworks blacksmithing t-shirt, right? Or merchandise, it's going to basically bring up every result that had that tag to it.
Yes.
And those keywords that are in the description of the item.
Yeah, you'll also see this in places like Etsy. If you make a listing, again, you'll fill out title, description, shipping information. Like the very last thing you add will be the tags.
Yeah. So hopefully that'll take and help you out from Jessica, the queen of search engine optimization here, as I'm going to affectionately call her. So let us know what you thought of the video down in the comment section down below. And that's going to complete this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.